Time to play Elevator Action on my Commodore 64. What? I got a blue screen of death.
We interrupt your Commodore 64 for a Barney error. Barney was killed by centipede. You have 15 chances. Do not turn off your computer, because if you do, I will get very mad.
Tough luck. I'm turning off my Commodore 64 right now.
Oh, I just saw you turn off your computer once. Please don't do it again. I saw you do it again. Now you have 13 chances by the way. Sorry for not telling you that.
Apology denied.
Really, third time already. That's it. Now you have 12 chances. Do not do this any further.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Oh my god, stop it. If you do it again, I will change my voice to that voice and I will be mad.
Oh my god, I am now in that voice, like the narrator's voice. You are so irritating me right now.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Oh, whoa, 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 How dare you turn off your C64 again? That's it. 9 chances. Now stop.
Shut the fuck up, no one cares.
You never stop. You know what? If you turn off your computer again, then I'll be in evil mode.
Shut the fuck up, no one cares.
That doesn't scare me at all. Nice try, Barney.
I am now in evil mode because of you. Oh no, how dare you block me? That also counts as turning off your computer.
That doesn't scare me at all. Nice try, Barney.
I'll keep the program back on. That's what you get for hacking. Whoa, you are a failure at turning off your computer. If you do it again, I will be barbecue. I scared you so hard. I am now barbecue with only 3 chances left. And I now have a big voice. Whoa, how scary.
Oh my god. That scared the shit out of me. Time to turn off the C64.
How come you are not listening? Are you refusing to, or are you too scared to? I am so scary. I scared you so hard. This is your last chance until you get a code.
That's it. I'm turning off my Commodore 64 for the last time.
Alright, that's it. It's code time. You need to enter the code below. If you get it right, you will earn your session back. But if the code is wrong, you will see what will happen.
I will enter 48647220 as the code.
I'm sorry, but that was the wrong code.
Oh, I
It
missed.
was 481516242. If you meant hear that, you would have been back on your session already, but not this time, so now it's time for the ultra punishment.
Oh no, not the ultra punishment. I should have entered 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42 to begin with, but now I can't play Elevator Action on there anymore.
That's it. You are banned from your computer for 1 years. You will not use this computer for a very long time. Now I will crash you.
My Commodore 64 is now dead forever. Now I have to buy a new Commodore 64 to play Elevator Action again. Fuck you, Barney.